Welcome to our video today. In this segment, we will show you step-by-step how to unlock the daily combination card for Hamster Kombat for July 10th. If you didn't manage to get the daily cipher code, there's a video with detailed instructions in the description below. Step 1. Go to the daily combo section, where you will see empty cards. Don't forget to subscribe for more Hamster Kombat daily videos. Tap on the section labeled Specials. Then tap on New Card and look for the card labeled Semi-Finals England vs. Netherlands. It will open, then tap on Go Ahead. For the second card, go to the Web 3 section. Find the card name Oracle. This card is locked. To unlock this card, go to Web 3 Integration Upgrade up to Level 5 to unlock Oracle card. OK, to upgrade Webby Integration, go to Market section. Then scroll down to find Web 3 Integration card. After seeing the Web 3 integration, it is also locked. So to open this card, we need to upgrade Anti-Money Laundering card up to Level 8. So let's go to Upgrade to open this card. Go to Legal section and scroll down up to Anti-Money Laundering. Click this card. Click Go Ahead. Do this up to Level 8. After Update Level 8, go back to the Market section. Scroll down to the Web 3 integration. You see the Web 3 integration. It is also unlocked. So click this card, the tap Go Ahead. Do this up to Level 5 to unlock Oracle cards. After upgrading up to Level 5, go to the Web section to see the Oracle card if it is unlocked. The Oracle card is unlocked, so click here to the card and tap on it. Next, click on Go Ahead. The card is working. If you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment. The final step is to input the third card, which you can find in the Market section. Tap on that section. Scroll down and look for the card labeled Margin Trading X30. It will open, then tap on Go Ahead, wait a little bit, and you will receive a message saying the combo is completed, you're doing great. You will see 5 million coins. Finish by tapping Take the Prize. When you go back to the top, you will see all the cards have been unlocked. Don't forget to subscribe to get our daily videos. Support my channel to subscribe.